Nature na rin ba ang cravings mo lately? May nahanap akong staycation in Batangas na may mountain, lake, at Taal view pa. And yes, pwedeng-pwede ang pets. 5 minutes away lang from Twin Lakes, Tagaytay, kaya sobrang ganda ng view at napakalamig dito. This is the Loft Hills Cabin in Calaca, Batangas. Very homey yung place, perfect na perfect kung mahilig kayo sa magandang view dahil panoramic ang view dito. Meron silang dipping pool at jacuzzi pa with a stunning view. At kung gusto nyo naman ng extra cozy, lalo na talagang malamig dito sa Batangas, no? You can opt for a heated pool for an additional 2,000 pesos. May dalawang balcony yung kanina sa first floor at ito naman yung sa second floor na parehong may panoramic view. Perfect for morning coffee, sunset tambay, or late night kwentuhan. May natyempuhan pa nga kaming fireworks. So imaginein mo, nandito ka ng December 31, sobrang ganda ng spot na to. So alam na this, i-book nyo na hanggat maaga. Now, let's check the rooms. This place has 4 bedrooms. Halos identical lang ang setup. May tig 2 double bed, closet, mirror, and lampshade. Lahat air-conditioned. Pero mas malaki lang syempre yung master bedroom, may CR ito sa loob at meron ding view. So pag gising mo, scenery na agad ang bubungad sa'yo. Ganon din yung basement room, may sariling CR at meron ding view. In total, may 4 na room at may 4 na CR. With hot and cold shower, shampoo, and body wash. Going upstairs, may second floor tambayan spot with day bed, kaya comfy talaga kahit big groups kayo. Moving on to the common areas, ang ganda ng flow ng space, very open and airy. May dining table with a view, so habang kumakain ka, meron kang napakagandang view. And here's the kitchen. Complete amenities, may ref, rice cooker, microwave, utensils, pans and pots, at may pressure cooker sila, so tamang-tama kung magluluto kayo ng bulalo. Cozy living area, karaoke, so pwede talagang mag-bond with family or barkada. Again, it's pet friendly, so you can bring your fur babies with you and enjoy the stay together. Overall, this cabin is perfect for families or big groups. Maximum of 16 packs. May mga promo rates sila, so take advantage of that. For bookings, message them on Facebook or Instagram. That's it for this cozy cabin tour. Follow me for more unique, pet-friendly staycation spots.